My name is Dr. Rahul Gupta. I'm a practicing physician for the past 25 years in America. I currently serve at the White House as the Director of National Drug Control Policy. So much happiness, so much sense of purpose and fulfillment. This work that is being done, both in terms of structure, but also in terms of function, the action, mobilization of communities without regards to who you are and where you're from, to be so welcoming and open is an important, and it's welcome at this time where so many people are suffering from aspects of mental health addiction and others. So this is the time when it's not only critical but almost essential to making sure that this country remains vibrant. It remains a live democracy, one, a rule of law, but also one that has the passion and the charitable giving nature that we are so accustomed to in America. This temple is open to people of all faiths, of all backgrounds. There is no test to be here. It is been built with that sense to be all welcoming and provide that level of peace, tranquility, quietness, and being able to find yourself in.